In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link in Balsamiq, a quick and simple process that takes just around 5 minutes. Balsamiq is a well-known tool for wireframing and sketching out user interfaces, enabling designers and developers to mock up ideas quickly. Adding links to your wireframes can enhance navigation design, making them more interactive and functional for presentation purposes. First, let's start by opening your web browser. You'll want to head over to your search engine and type in Balsamiq. Once the results populate, look for the first link, or ensure the URL includes balsamiq.com. Go ahead and open that, and you'll find yourself on the Balsamiq homepage, which is where we'll begin the process. Next, you'll need to log in. Locate and click on the Log In button. Logging into your account will provide you with access to your projects and allow you to edit and create wireframes. Enter your login credentials, which are typically your email and password. If you've forgotten these details, there are usually options to reset them or contact support for further assistance. Once you're logged in, navigate to the project where you'd like to add the link. Find the button, icon, or any element that you want to turn into a link within your wireframe. Clicking on this element will enable you to change its properties. Before proceeding, ensure that the Property Inspector is visible on the right side of your screen. The Property Inspector is crucial as it provides options to customize your wireframe components, including linking features. If the Links section isn't visible immediately, look towards the top and click on the Links tab. This ensures you have all the tools you need to establish your link efficiently. In the Property Inspector, one of the most important steps is to click on the Link drop-down menu. This menu will present you with options for your link destination. You can either select a target wireframe within your project if you're linking to another page within your design, or choose to input an external URL if you want the link to direct outside of Balsamiq. For example, linking to a specific website or external resource. And that's it. You've successfully added a link to your wireframe in Balsamiq. Links in wireframes not only provide a dynamic viewing experience, but also help simulate actual user interactions, making your wireframes truly come alive for stakeholders and team members. Feel free to review or test your links by navigating through your wireframes as if you're the end user, ensuring that they lead to the intended destinations. This functionality can offer a more realistic preview of the user journey, aiding in better design discussions and decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy designing in Balsamiq.